give us just a second, members of the jury.
Did you close out and log back in yet, or not yet?
I did,
You
yeah.
did?
More technical difficulties.
Give me a second, guys, I'll close out.
Hmm?
I'll close out, I'll open. Let me see, give me a second. I renamed it 379 afternoon session.
All right, welcome back, members of the jury. Hope you've had a pleasant day so far. As I mentioned to you before, all the instructions that I give you are going to last till the conclusion of the trial. We did receive a note from one of you. I did share it to all the attorneys on both sides. We reviewed that. Now, it's important that you remember the instructions that I gave you. All the evidence that you get in this case can only come from within the four walls of this courtroom. That'll come in the form to you either through witnesses from the witness stand or other items that may come before you for you to consider. You and only you will judge the credibility of each and every piece of evidence that comes before you. You take all that evidence, you determine the weight you give every particular piece of evidence. You take the law that I give you, you attach those two together at the conclusion of the evidentiary portion of this trial, and then you will render a verdict. Now, that's something that you wait to make determinations until you get all of the evidence and you get all the law before you. Until that time, the instructions that I gave you will continue. Do not discuss this case with each other as it relates to the evidence in any way. The first time you discuss it with anybody is when you're deliberating after I've given you those instructions to deliberate. Then you go over those cases for the very first time and the piece of evidence for the very first time, whatever it is that you feel that you're lacking. At that time, you can only consider evidence that comes before you. So, you're unable to ask questions during this trial. You cannot ask questions of me or of the parties related to the evidence. You must wait to see what comes before you and wait to make your determinations, your findings, until you get all the evidence. Any questions of me? All right, with that, we were at the beginning of defendant's cross, is that right?
No, Your Honor, the state has not passed the witness yet.
All right, state your witness.
Good morning, or good afternoon. You are the same officer, Jesus Rojas, that testified yesterday about the events of June 22nd, 23rd, 2023?
Yes, sir.
Officer Rojas, if we kind of patiently watched through your body-worn camera yesterday, you were there at the very beginning, is that right?
Yes, sir.
This call, and you, I guess in the course of your duties that day, how long did you stay there at that crime scene? Approximately.
I would say maybe about 3 hours.
About 3 hours?
Yes, about 3 hours.
And in the aftermath of the shooting that we heard, at least on your body-worn camera, is there a practice known as a round count?
Yes, sir.
Tell us what a round count is.
We have to show them our magazines and our pistol, firearm, and we have to they count every bullet that's in there.
And what's the purpose of that?
To see if you're missing any, if you fired any shots.
So who is looking at those things from the officers that were associated with the event?
One of the sergeants.
Okay. Is it part of the regular protocol there at the San Antonio Police Department that when there is a police-involved shooting, that a sergeant conduct a round count of the various officers that were there.
Yes, sir.
Was that done there?
Yes, sir.
And did you fire any shots the entire time?
No, sir.
In the entire time that you witnessed the events as they unfolded, did you at any time believe there was an exigency to enter that apartment?
No, sir.
And tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury what an exigency is.
It's so I can see it gives you it lets you enter a residence to stop it lets you enter a residency without a warrant to stop a serious bodily injury or possible death.
So what kind of things in your training experience warranted an exigent circumstance?
If somebody's in danger,
If someone's about to get hurt?
yes, somebody's about to get hurt.
How about if evidence is being tampered with or destroyed?
Yes, that also it lets you.
How about if the offender is about to escape?
Overrule.
Can you repeat that?
Oh, how about if the offender was about to escape absent your entry?
No.
So in your evaluation from that, in your time there from the beginning to the end, you personally didn't see an exigency. Is that what your testimony is?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell the jury what a criminal trespass is?
It's when somebody's on your property without your permission. You want them on your property.
Does a person who is on property without permission have to be given notice to depart?
Yes, sir.
And when a person doesn't have authority to be on someone's property, is it unlawful when they've been given that notice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We watched your body-worn camera, and there was a second officer who arrived at the scene, I guess in the minutes after you did. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
What was his name?
Officer Ramos.
And did Officer Robert Ramos also have a body-worn camera on his uniform, part of his equipment?
Yes, sir.
And would he have been under the same obligation as you to record this event?
Yes, sir.
State would offer as Case Exhibit 7, the body-worn camera of Robert Ramos.
Objection.
Admitted.
Okay. And we'd like to publish that, Your Honor.
You can do that.
Hey, lady, get over here. Get over here. Hey, listen. Come get your dog. All Melissa, come here. Where did she put the wireless? Huh? So when she put the wires over here on the side, all the lines. And so fire team line. But she's, I think she's in the AED, but. Huh? Is that fresh to see? Yeah, let me go real quick. Alright. We don't can go to the shelter, alright? You're what? What?
Your Honor, I want to make a point for the record, if we can pause it. For the record, the state has represented to the jury that they wanted to play Ramos' video in its entirety. What they're doing right now, what they've done about 4 or 5 times, and we're paused at 56 minutes and 28 seconds. What they've done is they've skipped forward several times, and they're not playing the video in its entirety. I believe there are things that may have been said or done by Officer Ramos that may have been skipped over. I just want to make sure for the record that what's played before the jury is not the entirety of the video.
Now, you will have an opportunity to cross, and that's for the benefit of the record as well. State?
Can we just continue?
Yes.
Housekeeping? Housekeeping?
Mr. Rojas, are you familiar with a term called de-escalation?
Yes, sir.
What is meant by de-escalation in your business?
I don't think the mic's working.
I'm sorry?
I don't think the mic.
Oh, the microphone isn't working. May I approach you?
Yes.
Let's take a look at it.
Let me give you another one. Try that one. Thank you.
What is meant by the term de-escalation in your business?
So it's a form. We pretty much try to, you know, it's I guess we try to not. So you just try to keep somebody calm. Pretty much, you do whatever you can, try to keep them calm. So that way things don't get out of hand or start escalating. So you know, you could verbal or anything just to try to keep them calm.
Is that a technique that you employed in your first meeting with her?
Yeah, yes, sir.
And the actions that we're seeing from Officer Ramos, would you say that's in line of de-escalating the situation?
No, sir.
Melissa! Melissa! I'm trying to see what the. I'm trying to figure out what it was. Huh? You didn't identify them? Melissa! Wait, is this one hers? true. I don't need a warrant. It's fresh pursuit. Melissa, come talk to us. Are you even Melissa? Are you a gang member?
Do you think I'm a gang member?
You look like a gang member.
Whatever, bro. Whatever. You don't got no jurisdiction. You ain't got no warrant, so leave me alone.
Does this say PD, ma'am?
You're harassing me.
Melissa, come talk to us about what happened. Are you? Come talk to us about what happened.
But the whole world is watching.
Okay, so who exactly are we talking to? Is your name Melissa?
Everybody knows my name.
I don't know your name.
Everybody knows my name.
What's your name?
County.
You live in Bear County.
I live in San Antonio.
Melissa, come talk to me out here.
I'm not coming out. You ain't got no warrant. You can't come in for me.
continue right now? Like, yes, you are. No, no. Just turn over and talk.
Yeah, cause you have anything in mind, or, no, just come over here. I'm talking to him over here. And that's why I took her over there. And then, I guess,
I tried kicking down these doors one time. It was hard. Yeah.
yeah, it's a misdemeanor. I mean, anything that's here.
It's a felony. And if it's a felony,
They don't wanna, they're not gonna let us take down the door to get her out. Yeah, that's why I said, come over here, I'll, look it up, see what it was. But, all I saw was, misdemeanor. I didn't see anything that far, but I didn't know. Yeah, like, well, I'll eat beer.
that's just crazy.
I'll eat beer and then I'll execute her on that.
You know what's the office? You know when he does the prison talk?
Yeah.
When he puts the bandana on? What about?
I'll leave this,
Like, no one's had a break all day. It's been like this since we signed on. Yuri got crashed, or Yuri, the first thing that popped up on him.
Record, we're advancing to 115.
And I know they did their case the way they wish, Your Honor, but I want the record to note that they stopped playing at 107:47 and they've skipped to 115:29.
on Friday. I know for us, once we all leave, sometimes it's busy, but a lot of times it's just chill, steady.
Yeah, she's here. She's right here. No, I don't know you.
You said you know me?
No. I said, what's your name?
You already know.
No, I don't know your name.
You already asked me that a couple of minutes ago.
No, he asked you your name.
Wasn't you paying attention?
I wasn't here. I'm trying to figure out what's your name.
Everybody's watching you out there.
Ma'am, I don't know your name. No, I paid attention. I was like,
I see it dipping, I see it was dark.
gotta have fun. You gotta have fun.
I'm like, what the hell? That's how I think, they're mad now. Who's all in there?
Don't worry about it. You're making mistakes that will mess with me now.
Are you talking to yourself, ma'am?
No, I'm not. I'm talking to you.
But there's no one inside that apartment.
There's another person. So you look at yourself, make yourself look stupid.
Prove it.
I don't want to
Show me.
You're harassing me now.
What do you say, ma'am? Do you hear voices in your head, ma'am? Are the voices talking to you?
She got mad. She got mad. It's not about FBI and all, you know, like, but after I get offended when people ask me that. I go, I'm just asking, you get medication? No. Or you prescribe medication? No. I get offended when people ask me, I'm not treating you. I'm like, yeah, I'm just asking you a couple questions. That's why I said, hey, come over here, I can't walk with me. Yeah.
That white Chrysler was like driving off fast to me.
Oh, what?
The red Chrysler that pulled up like right before that. It was like driving like fast like through the complex. I thought it was stolen.
Ma'am, are you diagnosed with any mental illness? You take any medication for a mental illness? Are you schizophrenic? Bipolar? You hear voices in your head? You want to kill yourself? You want to kill anyone else? Man who lives in 3102? Do you suffer from any known mental illness, ma'am? Well, the voice is telling you not to talk to me, ma'am? Do you need your medication? Have you taken any? Do you need to talk to a psychiatrist, ma'am? Or a mental health professional? It's okay if you need help, ma'am. We're just here to help. Do you see things that are not there?
Did you what initiated the reason for the body-worn camera being turned off there?
Excuse me?
Do you know why the body-worn camera would have been turned off there?
Probably the end of the call.
Calls for speculation of the state of mind of another person.
Right, so the question was asking if he knew, so I'll
Yeah.
overrule.
Question is if
The answer would be based upon why Ron was turned it off, and it still would be speculation.
Not automatically. The penalty answer is it's overruled.
I mean, I would guess he turned it off because it was the end of the call.
At the end of the call,
Yeah.
and is,
So the witness said he guessed, so he doesn't have personal knowledge.
when you were watching your body worn camera yesterday, okay, was it turned off about that same time?
It's about the same time.
Okay. And what was the reason why you turned off your body worn camera?
It was the end of the call.
Okay, and why was it the end of the call?
Believe he, Officer Salinas went and told me he was gonna just write up the criminal mischief report and list her as a suspect.
Write it up as a report, move on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And was it your expectation then that you were terminating this call for yourself here?
Yes, sir.
Go to the next one. From the time that Officer Salinas showed up at the scene, who was in charge of the scene?
Officer Salinas.
Okay, and who was Sergeant Salinas' supervisor?
Excuse me?
Wanna go way back? You wanna go way back or?
I'm gonna object to the mischaracterization of Officer Salinas as a sergeant.
Alright.
When I said that, I said, do you know who Officer Salinas' supervisor was here at the scene?
Sergeant Flores.
Sergeant Flores,
Yes, sir.
the man you identified yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just hit that. From the time that you turned off your body worn camera and the time Officer Ramos turned off his body worn camera before you turned them on, is there anyone watching Melissa Perez's apartment?
No, sir.
Is anyone trying to get in?
No, sir.
Had you discontinued that?
Yes, sir.
In fact, other than the initial 2 kicks on the door by Officer Ramos, was there any other efforts to try to get into her apartment?
No, sir.
And was there any intention on your part to do so?
No, sir.
And during the time that goes forward, when we see Officer Ramos, do you remember where you're at during this time that he's here?
Excuse me?
Do you remember who you're with and what you're doing during this time that we see Officer Ramos here with his position?
I was with Officer Salinas and the maintenance man.
Were there any other officers at the scene at that time?
No, sir.
Judge, I'm gonna ask that they disable the pop-up that's been popping up on the screen, the news feed. So it's been popping up a few times. And the playtime is 01:37:23, and the news feed has popped up 3 times in the last 15 seconds.
Are you capable of doing that on this? First of all, this is already admitted into evidence.
It is.
So is this on the
This is-
video?
No,
Hold on a
it's
second.
It's in negotiating the cursor, Your Honor. If the cursor touches a certain part of the screen, that pop-up comes up. It
So
has nothing.
I would ask the court to direct the state to disable that feature of their computer, cause I don't want it happening again, because it pops up newsfeed. And it's inappropriate, and it could cause a mistrial. So I'd ask that we take a break so they can address that and disable it, so it doesn't happen again in the rest of the trial.
And for the record, Your Honor, what it is doing is it's bringing up, I guess a link to, what is it, MSN news summaries, whatever it
Well,
is.
the news summary
So that's
has,
gonna cause a mistrial.
has referenced this case. And I don't say at this time that it's intentional by the state, but if it happens again, and they don't disable it, then I think that it would be a mistrial, which would require dismissal.
You're able to avoid that.
We'll absolutely do our best.
I would have no clue how to disable that on the computer. State, do you know how to disable that?
We do not.
I would ask that they confer with IT to find out how to do that, because if it happens again, I don't want to have to move for a mistrial, but I think we'd be required to.
If it happens again, I'm certain that the state will not do it purposefully. I'm sure that they'll avoid that. We'll do it on the next break.
Your Honor, to do our best, not to, we'll just let our tape run without cutting it, without trying to advance it and save the jury time.
Okay. We'll save the jury time.
I'd like him to advance it, I mean, so we can save the jury time. If he doesn't, if it's just gonna be sitting there, I mean, this is gonna turn into an 8-week trial if we don't watch it. We have 15 officers here and a lot of body cams. So I'm just trying to be mindful of what you told the jury and what we told each other for scheduling, so I don't mind, David, if you can move it along.
Despite that risk?
Well, we'll confer after.
Melissa! So you know what I'm saying? We're gonna kick the door down. You go here. Do you think open the door first? Melissa, open the door, or you kick it down.
You kick it down, and you're gonna go charges against.
All right.
You don't have no warrants. You ain't got no
It's not good. The door is like right about. You want to kick it, you will shoot it. That's how you. You get one shot, get one shot. I'll go from there. You want to stretch first?
Come, open the door.
No.
Hey.
You ain't got no work. Everybody's watching you. You see this shit going on?
Let's open the door, Melissa.
No.
Melissa. Let me get you, Melissa.
I don't give a fuck. You're harassing me.
Wait, you be lunch to do, boss.
You're harassing me in my apartment.
You're gonna get tased.
I don't give a fuck. Take me.
340, she just gave me his glass.
Why we just asked you to come outside?
Come outside, Melissa.
You're harassing me.
Oh, I don't want to push this. She's because I hammer. Okay.
Hey, everybody, you see this, America? The resident level one?
Melissa, come outside.
The way you turned on my window? How can you get the rest of America?
Melissa, come outside and talk to us, Melissa.
You already disrespected me in my apartment and my property. And you want me to come and talk to you?
Yes.
No.
We're trying to talk to you right.
need to calm down.
I'm calm. But you're harassing me and my opening. In my home by dropping my window and shining lights in the windows. That's harassment. You ain't got no word, you ain't got no jurisdiction.
Why don't you come out here and talk to us then?
Because you ain't got no right.
I have no right.
You ain't got no right.
So,
You ain't got no right, you ain't got no word. To tell my window or my door down or touch my door.
Yes, sir. All of that calls and also take something out there. He is all right.
Come out here and talk to us, Melissa.
Okay, get the audio. Go down.
Melissa, come talk to us.
one of them not open.
So, I give a felony, journalistic, and, up to Sarge. Put up all the wires for the alarms, right?
Shit, already? No, there's no open, like, land.
They're kicking the doors, came out.
They're kicking the door with no word.
You wanna come out here and talk to me? You got a rail?
Oh my God, man, you got my Jesus picture there? You're disrespecting my home. You ain't got no word. Go get a word and let's go.
Can you just talk to me right here? What's going on? Why
They
not?
already shut down my window and they're harassing my opening on next door. We're getting harassed by you guys and everybody's watching.
You saying you ain't come talk to me?
Nope.
Why
I'm
not?
not gonna talk to nobody.
Why not? Why not? So talk to me. Come talk to me. Come outside. You can talk to me right here. I can't do nothing about it right here. Come talk to me.
They harassed me and kick my door down without no warrant. Everybody's watching you all over America.
Melissa, come out here and talk to us.
Nope.
Like, it's like,
They
almost
already
like that.
disrespected my home.
That's kind of warrant. She committed from.
No, she said,
No, we tried to kick out the door, but we can't. We tried going. We tried that, and she started throwing, like, she started that, and then she grabbed the hammer.
not even, you have a hammer.
Yeah, because you tore my door down with no warrant. You don't take somebody's door down without a warrant. That's protocol.
We need to check it. You check it?
Yeah, you're harassing me and my apartment. Look at all of you guys, you look ridiculous. But you're harassing me and my apartment.
So you were good?
Ma'am, you wanna talk to me? No, I don't wanna talk to nobody. You need to leave and leave us in peace because everybody's watching you. Everybody's watching you on camera around the world, on national TV. You jumped that? That's fine. You're done. That's fine. They already watch us. They already watch us, man. They're watching us. I know. They already do. So it's like they watched them tore my door down and shine the light on the other and I picked it up. That's fine. Alright. And they dropped my screen. Exactly. Okay. So you're harassing me.
Man, I'm sorry to Flores, I'm sorry, please. Are you gonna make things more difficult, or are you just?
No, I didn't make them difficult. Do you have a word, Sergeant Flores? Do you have a word?
I'm asking you, are you gonna come out for us, or
Do you have a word?
I'm not here to negotiate.
No,
Can
do you have a word?
No, we don't. We don't
Okay,
support.
so you can't come in.
You assaulted my officer?
No, I didn't. They assaulted me.
So, I'm gonna ask you one last time.
They
Are
assaulted
you gonna
me.
make people complicated?
They assaulted
Okay,
me.
so that's why I asked you.
They assaulted me. They assaulted me.
That's what I'm saying, Kabu.
Yeah.
something else in there?
Yeah, just going in.
Okay, what about the screen ones?
They're all, they're screening the windows.
Okay.
They're not, glasses are down.
We can work on it.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, let me get.
We miss you. Miss you, Barcelona. After closing it down, so we can
You're trespassing.
just get back.
You're trespassing. You ain't got no work. You ain't got no work.
You told what you got, Maria? You Lois, are you able to jump
I
back?
don't give a fuck. You ain't got work.
No, because we can't get here. So thanks.
Come on, we got the maintenance guy real quick. We're working grabbing it, alright? What's that shield?
Jump now. Now. Jesus, guys.
You ain't got no work. And you're arresting me.
There's no point in tasing her, bro, because how are we going to go hands on?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's
The doors open?
Was the charge on? I was trying to tell you, I saw him that.
This door.
You gonna lock it?
Yes, it's on.
You ain't got no work. You ain't got no work. You're arresting me. You're probably something like that.
Yeah, he threw something at one of our officers. Yeah, that makes sense. You should do that for yourself, honey. There's one in there, right? A guy's in there?
The guy's bedridden.
Oh.
Where's the shotgun? You want the shotgun? Shotgun. That's lethal. You want me to ask her? He's gone. Oh, you scared? There it is, bro. Who's door right here? Yeah. Yeah, you can see it.
There's some discussion on the video about a shotgun, right? Can a shotgun be converted into some kind of less lethal force?
Yes, sir.
Can you describe that, how that works?
There's actual shells, the shotgun shells that are less lethal. They shoot off beanbags.
So you can load a regular shotgun with beanbag shells?
Yes, sir.
And what happens if somebody is shot with the beanbags?
Pretty much hurts them. Try to disable them, kind of.
On the continuum of force usage with the San Antonio Police Department, is it considered non-lethal force to shoot somebody with the beanbags?
Yes, sir.
And she was in the home alone. No, she didn't. It's a bitch.
wanna come out and talk to me? You should, you tell me, you know that you're address. Why don't you tell me why I'm here for right now? Can you tell me why?
Because they're tearing my door down and they're making accusations that are against.
Okay, but what did you come here for in the first place?
So why did they tear my door down in the first place?
That's what I'm asking. Why are we here in the first place? Why did officers come to this location in the first place? No. They tore the door down once they were already here. Okay, I'm asking what happened before that made them come here.
I was talking to the fire department.
Okay, all right. Okay. So let me talk to you about this, okay? No matter what happened, okay? Whether it's whatever happened, okay? No, but listen. But listen, okay? It doesn't negate the fact. Okay. I heard what you had to say. Okay. So if you're getting harassed by him, why don't you pick up from the street?
And you think that's right? You think that's respect? They try to point to tear my door down. It's my window.
Officer Rojas, kind of at this point in time, do you have, based on your training and experience, enough information to persuade a judge through an affidavit to get a warrant for her?
And that calls for, beyond the scope of his knowledge. He says he doesn't have the expertise, that he doesn't do that, patrolmen don't do that, detectives do that.
Alright, so if you're able to answer that, and you heard the objection, if you're unable to answer that, then just say that.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know if you have enough information to get a warrant?
No.
You had mentioned in your testimony earlier that you have a mental health unit,
Yes, sir.
and at that time, there was a mental health unit,
No, sir.
like in the daytime.
At the daytime.
Correct me if I'm wrong, that's why I understood from your testimony.
Yes, it's during the day. During the day.
During the day, there's a
Yeah,
crisis unit.
I'm not sure exactly what hours they work, but they weren't working on dog watch hours.
Okay, so just dog watch hours here.
Yes, sir.
And if a warrant had been issued for her and the crisis team was available to assist, could it have been done that way?
Excuse me?
Could it have been done, the execution of a warrant at a time when the mental health crisis people were available?
If they went, if they issued one for emergency detention, I mean,
But come back at another time,
yes, sir.
right?
That's my issue.
That's your
You
issue.
need a warrant.
I
And you don't got one.
think you're a little bit wrong on that,
I
but
think I'm very right on that. I know my law.
I don't think you do, but.
I know my law.
Okay, what section of the law is that?
What section of the law?
Yeah, go
The
ahead and tell
section
me.
of my right.
Oh, the section of the law.
That was it right there. You don't have a warrant. You cannot say that you got a warrant.
That's not true at all. Okay? So I'm asking you to come out and talk with us peacefully, okay? Okay. Well, I didn't tear your door down, I just got
Standing
here.
the light in his face along the line and then turning my street door. That's what happened.
Okay, so would you
Why
like to come out and talk to us?
No,
Okay. So you're gonna make us go in?
you don't have a warrant.
I don't need one, I've already explained that to you.
And I'm explaining to you, you need a warrant.
Okay. Well, we'll see what the judge has to say about it, okay? We'll figure it out at that point. Okay. Well, like I said, one way or another, what's gonna happen is gonna happen, okay? I'm trying to explain the law to you so that this doesn't escalate.
So before this has to be complicated, can you please just hold up so we don't have to get in the right. Why not?
Because I already know what's gonna happen.
What's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen? Tell us what is gonna happen. This isn't false. This is something you're doing in the office.
We're trying to be very patient and very forgiving. Thank you.
Yeah, are we ready to go? You want me to draw it back or just go in?
I have no idea. I think it's fine. Yes, sir.
Are they at the door or where are they at?
From the view that we see here on the camera, where is Officer Ramos standing?
The extra bedroom,
Okay, is this the bedroom where the old man is, or is this another bedroom?
it's another bedroom.
From this viewpoint, from that bedroom, you looked into that bedroom, did you?
Yes, sir.
Was anybody in there?
No, sir.
What was in that room?
It was just a bed and furniture. I'm not sure exactly what was in there, but
But the room where the old man was, is he the next window?
yes, sir.
Okay, are there any officers stationed there looking after him?
No, sir.
Go get her.
There's a guy in the bed over there. Hey, Carlos, hey, give us some medical stuff. There's a rest of bro, just cut it off. Yeah,
Anything out there?
cut it off. Cut it off. That guy?
You good? Yeah.
We check the rest of the house?
Everything's all good? Everything's all good, sure. Okay. So we check.
Always make sure. Right here, I got one right here. Coming down. Something like that. Hey, B, give me those scissors! Right here, to the chest. I got one under the arm as well, it looks like. Yeah, shoot from right here, so okay.
He's going around outside.
Here, bro, this is gonna get tight.
No, it's
broken. Bro, this got one. They broke it when they kicked it. I guess that's what they were kicking. Yeah, I just tried crying on it. So I know we got one under the armpit, we just put a chest on the one on the back.
We got a
We're
hard
gonna have one that looks like an exit through her breast, through her pump breast. Looks like it's gonna be the exit to this one. No, I think we got rid of everything, man. Doors open.
Do we have apartments behind this one? Is there anything else back there? I think so. I'm not entirely sure. Sarasota Police Department. Sarasota Police Department, we're just making sure you're okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Is there anyone else who all lives in here?
I'm sorry?
How many people live here?
5, 6 people, yes.
Okay, we need to make sure everyone's okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Can we make sure everyone's okay? Can I make sure everyone's okay real quick?
Yeah.
Just make sure, like, because something just happened right now. I'm just I need to make sure, I need to see, make sure everyone's okay. Is it fine if I come in?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
One just sleep right now.
Sleep.
Yeah, I just checked on her, she's fine. I was. Is it any places?
That's what we're making sure. Everyone, of course, fine.
Okay, do this.
Check the one behind him.
San Antonio Police Department. San Antonio Police Department. Mr. Magnus.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a key?
For Joel or for, no, for this one.
This
Which
one?
one is this one? 1901, yeah.
This one's the one right directly behind. This is 3104.
3104. Let me go and see what I can get the key for.
So this is the one directly behind 3102.
Oh, okay. Do I need to report something to my superior?
Probably, yeah. Not right now, but I just need to make sure everyone's okay here because the bullets went this way.
Oh, okay.
So I need to make sure everyone's okay.
3104. Let me go and get that.
SAPD! San Antonio Police Department. San Antonio Police Department.
Here, we'll stop this here. One of the other officers that arrived, that showed up there at the scene, did you know most of them or all of them?
Some of them.
Okay. Did you see Officer Jonathan Salinas there?
Yes, sir.
And he had a body worn camera on?
Yes, sir.
And Officer Vince Gomez, was he there?
I'm not sure.
You don't know Vince Gomez?
That-
Officer Maria Salinas,
Yes, sir.
she was there, did you have a body worn camera on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. State would offer what's been marked as state's exhibits 8, 9, and 10, the body worn cameras of officers, Salinas, Jonathan Salinas, Maria Salinas, and Vince Gomez. Sorry. Jonathan Salinas 8, Vince Gomez 9, Maria Salinas 10.
Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute, 1 second, please. And Judge, we have no objection to this. The only concern I have is that they're gonna try to play all these through Officer Rojas. I mean, obviously they can call these people to the stand. We want these in also. We have Salinas' video that we were gonna ask them to let in. I'm assuming this has both parts, like the stop and the start again?
Yes.
Okay. But I'm sorry, David. My only concern is that we're gonna go through this exercise through Officer Rojas, or I mean, I'm assuming they're gonna call these people.
I am not.
You're not gonna call these people?
I'm fixing to pass Officer Rojas.
So I have another issue. I don't mind discussing it in front of the jury, but I don't know if you want us to approach the bench.
Members of the jury, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a short break. We'll let you know when we're ready.
All right for the jury? If you haven't got your tickets validated, then I'll give you time. Please be seated.
All right, I stand here.
I just